How to share your screen on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to share your mobile screen on Discord. Let's just get right into it. First, you need to go over to your Discord app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then go to the server or the channel where you want to share your screen. So I'll just quickly join a voice channel. Tap on join. Once you join a voice channel, you don't need other people to start sharing your screen. You can do it immediately, right away. So just swipe up from here and bring out this menu. All you have to do is find the share your screen option and then tap on it. Once you tap on this, you can select whether you want to share one app or your entire screen. I'll do entire screen for now, and then tap on screen share down below. Now you have successfully started sharing your screen on Discord. As you can see, I'm sharing my screen here. You can switch between apps and you're good to go.